There's some unfortunate news coming in from the state of Andhra Pradesh. A bus has caught fire in Mehboob-Nagar. Several people are feared dead in the tragedy. Reports say 5 people have escaped to safety and are being treated at a local hospital there. The reason for the fire is said to be the diesel tank burst. The incident happened in the Kota Mandal area. The bus was travelling from Bangalore to Hyderabad. The incident took place at about 5:30 this morning. Some passengers managed to break open the window panes and jumped to safety. Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy expressed anguish over the incident. He has ordered a probe and sought a report.
We're outside the office of Jabbar Travels in Hyderabad, which you can see buses traveling from Bangalore and Mumbai to Hyderabad. This particular accident happened in a place called Kota, which is about 130 kilometers from Hyderabad. We are told that the bus was at a high speed, overspeeding and trying to overtake another vehicle when it hit a culvert, as a result of which the diesel tank caught fire and gave really no chance for the passengers to escape. This happened sometime between 5 and 5:30 is the information that we are getting from the district police authorities. Many people who have come here trying to get information on people who had boarded the bus from different points in Bangalore. This is the passenger list that has been provided to us. It shows 33 passengers who had boarded the bus from different points in Bangalore, and there are about 7 seats which are apparently empty in the 42-seater bus. We are also told that many of the injured and the charred bodies have been shifted to the district hospital in Vanaparthi, which is about 25 kilometers from Kota, and information not really coming in too much because the shops are closed. But yes, the police trying to ensure that many of those injured would be provided with medical facility in Vanaparthi, as well as trying to get a sense of how many people would have actually died. We do not know if many more people have boarded the bus from different other points like Anantapur and Kurnool to come to Bangalore, to come to Hyderabad. Remember, the Diwali weekend is around the corner, and many of the people, the passengers who have boarded, were software professionals who are probably coming here to celebrate Diwali with their near and dear ones in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, in Lakdi Ka Poltia, Sudhir for Headlines Today.